How are you?
Welcome.
Hello.
To Canary Cottage.
We're just checking in.
Here's my sister Lulu. Oh my goodness, what is this?
Oh
No, that's nothing.
Let's just go and play football. Lulu? What the hell is that?
Where did you go now?
I need to unpack my clothes.
Go, Richard.
Is there anyone here with us?
Get out.
What's going on? Yes.
No, please.
Give us a sign.
Yeah, Wager, give us a sign.
Oh my gosh.
Oh Lord, are you guys devil worshippers? No, Lulu, what's going on around here?
I think we got a case of the devil worshippers.
Oh, we don't take kindly to you folk around here.
Listen here, Sue. We felt like we heard some spirits in the house, so we brought out this darn Ouija board, and it started moving on us, woman. I tell you, it was moving. Then you guys caught us red-handed.
But why?
See!
I think y'all better stay out of our business.
Alright, you guys, there's obviously something here, so I think we should split up into groups, search for it, and meet up back here later.
I
Oh
agree.
yeah.
Let's
Good
do that.
Alright guys.
Come on.
I'll leave
Let's
with
do
Olivia,
this.
I'll leave
you
it.
two,
You too.
then you two. Done, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Is there something in here?
I don't know, Patty. We must find out. I tell you what.
I don't know what they're looking for. I'm gonna check out this door.
All right, Patty, check it out for me. Patty! Patty, come on now, Patty! No! Come on! Jasper! Sabrina!
No.
Oh my goodness, you know Patty, that little sexy leprechaun we got here? He's locked inside the bathroom. Come on!
Now, please, I'm sure
Oh
it's
my
fine.
gosh.
We just need to get him out of
Oh
there.
my goodness.
Patty!
Oh,
Patty! It's
Oh,
open!
Patty!
It's open!
Wait, that.
Patty! He's not in there. Oh my goodness, he's not in there. Patty! Where is
This
he?
not good.
You guys, we need to find Patty.
Go check out here.
Patty. Patty.
Patty?
Where did Patty go?
Patty!
Patty.
Patty.
Patty! Where's Patty?
Oh my gosh!
Oh, sweet name of Jesus!
No!
Patty.
Let's go search the rooms for the killer.
I want to see who did
You
this.
guys should go. Do it.
Exactly this.
Goodbye. Wait for me.
Oh goodness, I hope Patty's not dead. Patty? Oh, Patty. Patty, my boy. Are you dead, Patty? Patty? Oh no, Patty. Patty, what happened?
He's gone. I mean, it was so fast.
It was terrible. Such a tragic incident.
And I'm going to miss Patty. I mean,
Miss him
it
terribly.
was so funny. And I don't know.
I can't.
I don't know. He's gone.
What? What was that? Jasper? Oh, not again.
I just heard all the commotion. What's going on out here?
And I'm Dex.
Come
on, Dex, let's go check upstairs.
Okay.
Dex. I don't know if I feel comfortable about this.
What's going on, Gina?
You know what's going on.
Gina, what are we gonna do? I'm scared.
I don't know, Dex. We have to find someplace out of her. I don't want to down her.
Gina, what is
Oh
that?
my God, we're gonna die!
Oh my goodness, that's Gina!
What the heck
Oh
happened
my
to
goodness! No! No!
No.
Lulu, that was as easy as cutting a slice of pie. Looks like we're ready for our Christmas dinner. We got a couple of butterballs here.
Spirits, do we have a case of the diarrheas?
They know. They know.
What?
I know.
Says yes. Oh my God.
Oh
Yes.
my gosh.
Oh no.
No. It says yes.
Give
Give us a sign. Ah!
Oh, what the hell? Are you all devil worshippers? Susu!
I knew it.
Lulu! What?
Right now.
Oh no, no.
No. It says yes.
Oh god.
Give
Give
us
us
a
a
sign.
Yes.
What the hell? Are y'all devil worshippers?
I'm gonna miss Patty. I really can't believe he's gone. It was so fast. We just got here.
No, it was terrible. It's such a tragic incident.
I'm gonna miss Patty. I really am.
Terribly.
I don't know what to do. I'm scared. What was that?
What was that?
I don't feel comfortable about this.
What's going on?
Good.
How was that?